Weather Rate certified most accurate forecast in Central Texas. This is Fox 44 Weather with Chief Meteorologist Mike LaPointe.
Mike, we were tracking some bad stuff all day. Some of it's still around, but for us, at least in McLennan County, most of it, the threat has passed.
That's right. We were under a severe thunderstorm warning right here in McLennan County earlier this evening. Now that has moved away. Now we're kind of quiet here. We're still hearing some isolated showers and thunderstorms, but the watch has been dropped from McLennan County. Adam, still in effect though down south in Bell County. So let me show you the very latest right now, and you can kind of see what's happening. We are not in the yellow here in Waco, but our friends down in Temple and Killeen still under the gun until midnight, although I can tell you most of the shower activity that's rather strong is even east of Bell County. What you are looking at right now, though, is again that tornado watch still in effect until midnight tonight. Areas down to the south of us, we are still monitoring some pretty strong thunderstorms. And like I was telling you earlier, we do have some severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for parts of the Brazos Valley, which include College Station down toward the Brenham area, Caldwell, Giddings, all under severe thunderstorm warnings right now. So again, we're going to watch that very closely. Most of the activities out ahead of a cold front that's been moving through. 7 o'clock. Tonight, though, look at the shower activity heading right on through the Waco area, and that's when we had that warning. That continues to slowly move off to the east and slightly northeast. Showers and thunderstorms all out ahead of it, and they've been pretty noisy here, basically from 20 right on down as you work your way through Mahia, down toward the Cameron area, and again, even just off to the east of Austin, seeing some pretty strong thunderstorms. But behind it, it's hit and miss, isolated thunder with some steadier rainfall, and it looks like by later on tonight, overnight, that rain will start to taper off. But as we get you into a little bit closer over toward Bell County, there's Temple, there's Killeen. You can see isolated storms here and there, but that's a moderate to heavy rainfall. Right now, moving through that area as we take you a little bit farther to the north now. Again, Waco, we are seeing some isolated thunder. Same story as you work your way up toward the Hillsboro area, but then areas off to the east, the rain has been a little bit steadier over toward Groesbeck and areas even right along I-45. That's where the thunderstorm activity has been. There's the cold front moving through. So that cold front, right along the cold front, is where the showers and thunderstorms are firing up. Behind it, we're starting to see that colder air move in, which is producing some of those isolated thunderstorms across the area, but it's also still giving us those showers. Eventually, once the system pulls far enough to the east, you're going to notice some much cooler air begin to move in, and that should be by the early part of tomorrow. Look how much rainfall has fallen here in the Waco area, over a half an inch, 0.64. Officially in Temple. Down in Georgetown, though, 1.5 inches officially in the rain gauge. So it's kind of hit and miss. Some spots not much. Comanche only picked up 3/100ths of an inch of rain. And temperatures starting to go down just a little bit. 58 degrees here in Waco. It's 63 in Temple. But those showers and thunderstorms that are still making some noise down toward College Station, you've got some fuel to work with. Look at that. Temperatures in the low to middle 70s, and that is the reason why. We are watching those winds, and you can see those winds right out ahead of the front, out of the south. That's where the front is. Behind it, much calmer conditions start to move in, but still pretty breezy out there. Winds right now about 15 to 25 miles per hour across the region. Midnight tonight, there's the front. Shower activity well off to our east. Again, you may hear some isolated thunderstorms tonight, some rain out there, but will be below severe limits. The severe weather for the overnight period looks to be East Texas, maybe working its way down toward Louisiana. And you notice by early tomorrow morning, skies will be mostly cloudy. It will be in the 30s. There could be a few spots to our north and to our west that have a little rain snow mix, or I should say a little sleet snow mix. Not expecting much in the way of any accumulation, but you notice how we clear it out looking at sunshine as we go throughout the day, and temperatures topping out upper 40s to lower 50s across the board. And then as we hit late Saturday night, we're still looking pretty good. If that high still slides off into the east, and by early in the morning on Sunday, I expect quiet conditions but chilly skies. We're talking 33 degrees or so here in Waco. And then throughout the day on Sunday, mostly sunny skies, highs upper 50s to lower 60s. Don't forget, if you want to check on the weather, and we're always updating it, make sure you download our app. That's Fox 44 News There it is right there. As for the forecast, 51 degrees tomorrow, clouds in the morning, sunshine in the afternoon, 62 with sunshine on Sunday. By Monday, 67. And look at that, back into the 70s again on Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday is when our next front moves in, and notice the drop in temperature and the thunderstorms. 50s there on Thursday, around 62 on Friday. And your forecast down toward Bryan and College Station again. Showers and thunderstorms right now. It'll be pretty noisy at least through about midnight. And then tomorrow, clouds in the morning, a little sunshine, temperatures in the 40s, warmer on Sunday. And next week, bring out the shorts, right? We're talking 70s again with some rain possible there on Wednesday and Thursday.